What drives the blood flow? The ultimate goal of our blood flow is the exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide with our tissues at level of the capillaries, the thinnest of our vessels. The blood is pumped by the heart into big arteries, till it reaches these crucial finest capillaries. It passes through the capillaries, where its actual work is done, before it returns to heart through the veins. Our current belief is that the blood flow is driven by hydrodynamic forces. But new observations revealed that the impact of the heart pump stops at the level of the capillaries. The blood that runs through the capillaries is driven by electrical power.
So when that system falls apart, lots of bad things happen. So here's a picture, very schematic, of red blood cells traveling through a capillary. They're very crowded in the capillary. It's a very tight squeeze. They decorate themselves with sulfate outside their cell, and they deliver that sulfate as they pass through the capillary. They shed it, and they're therefore shedding negative charge. And that negative charge is then building up along the capillary wall. And it's very interesting because as they do this, by the time they get to the vein and all of them are shedding their negative charge, this creates a battery between the artery and the vein, which then actually propels the red blood cell through the artery, through the capillary, because it's attracted to the venous side because of this battery. It's attracted to the cathode, and that will pull the red blood cell through so that the heart doesn't have to work so hard to pump. And furthermore, these layers, these sulfated layers along the wall of the capillary are very slick jello. The red blood cell can just slide through almost frictionless effort to get through that capillary. When these things break down, the red blood cell gets stuck and you have a no-flow situation. So basically, this voltage change that's created by the red blood cell itself actually drives the red blood cell through the capillary and makes the blood flow properly.
Lack of electrical impulses slows the blood flow through the clogged capillaries and reduces the delivery of oxygen to the cells. The right type of electrical stimulation can enhance the blood flow through the capillary, thus improving the oxygenation of the tissues. Hair loss, skin aging, and countless other degenerative diseases are caused by a deficient blood flow at the level of the capillaries. REYU microcurrent is capable of restoring the blood flow through the capillaries and combat aging efficiently. Hair grows again. The skin heals just as many other chronic diseases. Join the natural revolution with REYU.